Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze and you're trying to replace your Sunvisors, we'll explain guys how to do that. We'll demonstrate on the driver's side, but the passenger side will be exactly the same. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. And why we do that? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you need to buy any tools or parts guys for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can find them for a very good price and fast shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So we're going to go ahead, open the door. Okay, let me show you guys on the driver's side now what we'll be doing. Okay, so things that we'll be doing now here guys. This is the Sunvisor. Okay, let me show you now. This is the Sunvisor. And if you guys need to replace it, we'll explain how to do that. So let me show you now. Pull it out on this side and just extend it. On the passenger side you won't be able to extend it, but on this one you can. So what we'll be doing now, okay, we need to stay like that. Okay, like that, because otherwise we won't be able to see. Perfect. Now let's get the tools guys. Okay, what do we need? A plastic panel removal tool. We get right here and we open that cap open. That way we don't cause any damage with that plastic removal tool. This cap, it can come back and you can even remove it if you want to, so it's not in the way. What we're going to need after that now guys? Okay, we're going to need, let me actually come this way. So what do we need to do after that? Okay, let me explain to you guys. We need to get a Torx, Torx bit like this one here. Okay, let me focus quick. I'm trying to focus, it's very little. Okay, like that, Torx bit. And we're going to guys go ahead and remove, okay, 3 screws that we have here. One is coming out. Okay, you can see how long these screws are actually. One is out. Now we have one more. We're going to move the visor a little bit this way because one is towards the back. Okay, let's not push it towards me because I need a little bit more room. Okay, this is the second one now. Perfect. Now we need guys one more. This one right there. This is the very last one. Okay, let me see if that one will go by hand now. Perfect. Now let me see what else is holding here now guys. If you look at it, okay, it's not going to come out, right? It's still stuck. Why? Because I think guys, okay, let me see now. I think there is 2 clips that we need to release. One of them, or just one. Right here there is one clip that you need to slide back and pull it out, but let me see because it's a little bit dark. So now guys, after that you have 2 little clips right there that you need to spread. Okay, let me explain that again. Now we have 2 more clips guys that you need to spread. One here and one over there. You push them in and at the same time you apply a little bit of pressure. Okay, let me confirm, but the other clip went in again. Okay, perfect. And you can see the clips that we were talking about. Okay, these 2 clips right here. That's what was holding it. And Sunvisor guys, okay, came out just like that. Not as easy as most of the cars, but that's how you guys do it. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.